Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Podcast Zone. I'm your host. In today's episode, we'll learn 40 small talk starters, short, easy phrases that help you begin conversations naturally in English. Small talk helps you sound friendly, confident, and open. You can use these expressions anywhere, at work, school, parties, or even online. I'll tell you each phrase slowly, explain the meaning, and give you an example. So, let's begin. Part 1. Greetings and Introductions. 1 to 10. 1. Hi, how's your day going? Meaning, a friendly way to ask how someone feels today. Example: Hi, how's your day going? Pretty good, thanks. How about you? 2. Hey, how have you been? Meaning, ask how someone has been since the last time you met. Example: Hey, how have you been? I've been great, just a little busy. 3. Nice to see you again. Meaning, you're happy to meet this person again. Example: Nice to see you again. You too, it's been a while. 4. It's such a nice day, isn't it? Meaning, a polite comment about the weather to start a chat. Example: It's such a nice day, isn't it? Yes, finally some sunshine. 5. How's everything going? Meaning, a general question to ask how life is. Example: How's everything going? Not bad, just keeping busy. 6. What have you been up to? Meaning, ask what someone has been doing recently. Example: What have you been up to? Just studying for my exams. 7. I haven't seen you in a while. Meaning, say this when meeting someone after a long time. Example: I haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, it's been months. 8. Are you from around here? Meaning, ask if the person lives nearby or is local. Example: Are you from around here? Yes, I live just 2 streets away. 9. Do you come here often? Meaning, a casual way to talk in places like parks or cafes. Example: Do you come here often? Sometimes. I love the coffee here. 10. It's great to finally meet you. Meaning, use this when meeting someone in person for the first time. Example: It's great to finally meet you. Same here. I've heard a lot about you. Part 2. Talking about the weather. 11 to 15. 11. It's really hot today, isn't it? Meaning, comment about the temperature. Example: It's really hot today, isn't it? Yeah, I can't wait for winter. 12. Looks like it might rain later. Meaning, you think it may rain soon. Example: Looks like it might rain later. I'd better take an umbrella. 13. I can't believe how cold it is. Meaning, express surprise about the cold weather. Example: I can't believe how cold it is. I know, I had to wear 2 jackets. 14. The weather's been so strange lately. Meaning, when the weather changes a lot. Example: The weather's been so strange lately. Yeah, rain one day, sunshine the next. 15. Do you like this kind of weather? Meaning, ask about someone's weather preference. Example: Do you like this kind of weather? Not really, I prefer warm days. Part 3. Work and Study. 16 to 20. 16. What do you do for work? Meaning, ask about someone's job. Example: What do you do for work? I'm a teacher at a language school. 17. Do you enjoy your job? Meaning, ask if they like what they do. Example, do you enjoy your job? Yes, I love helping students learn. 18. Are you working or studying right now? Meaning, ask about their current situation. Example, are you working or studying right now? I'm studying English full-time. 19. How's your week been at work? Meaning, ask how their week is going at work. Example, how's your week been at work? Pretty busy, but good. 20. Do you work from home or go to the office? Meaning, ask about their work style. Example, do you work from home or go to the office? I go to the office 3 days a week. Slow and Practice English Podcast, Part 4, Hobbies and Free Time, 21 to 25. 21. What do you like to do for fun? Meaning, ask about hobbies or favorite activities. Example, what do you like to do for fun? I love painting and listening to music. 22. Have you watched any good movies lately? Meaning, talk about recent entertainment. Example, have you watched any good movies lately? Yes, I watched Inside Out 2. It was amazing. 23. Do you like listening to music? Meaning, ask if they enjoy music. Example, do you like listening to music? Of course, I listen every day. 24. What kind of sports do you enjoy? Meaning, ask about sports interests. Example, what kind of sports do you enjoy? I like football and swimming. 25. Do you like reading? Meaning, ask if someone enjoys books. Example, do you like reading? Yes, especially mystery stories. Part 5, Food and Drinks, 26 to 30. 26. What's your favorite food? Meaning, ask about their food preferences. Example, what's your favorite food? Definitely pizza. 27. Do you like coffee or tea? Meaning, a simple food or drink question. Example, do you like coffee or tea? I'm more of a tea person. 28. Have you tried this restaurant before? Meaning, talk about a restaurant or cafe. Example, have you tried this restaurant before? No, but it looks really nice. 29. Do you like cooking? Meaning, ask about cooking as a hobby. Example, do you like cooking? Yes, especially pasta and soup. 30. What's your comfort food? Meaning, ask what food makes them feel happy. Example, what's your comfort food? Ice cream, for sure. Part 6, Weekends and Travel, 31 to 35. 31. Any plans for the weekend? Meaning, ask about weekend activities. Example, any plans for the weekend? I'm going hiking with friends. 32. How was your weekend? Meaning, ask about what they did recently. Example, how was your weekend? It was relaxing. I stayed home and watched TV. 33. Do you like to travel? Meaning, ask if they enjoy visiting new places. Example, do you like to travel? Yes, I love seeing new cultures. 34. What's your favorite place you visited? Meaning, ask about their favorite travel experience. Example, what's your favorite place you visited? Bali. It's so beautiful. 35. Do you have a dream vacation spot? Meaning, ask about where they'd love to go. Example, Do you have a dream vacation spot? I'd love to go to Japan one day. Part 7. Opinions and Daily Life, 36 to 40. 36. Have you seen the news today? Meaning, a light conversation about current events. Example. Have you seen the news today? Yes, something interesting happened. 37. How do you usually spend your evenings? Meaning, ask about evening routines. Example. How do you usually spend your evenings? I like watching series and reading. 38. Are you into social media? Meaning, ask if they use social apps. Example. Are you into social media? Yes, I love Instagram and TikTok. 39. Do you like mornings or nights better? Meaning, ask if they prefer day or nighttime. Example. Do you like mornings or nights better? Nights. I'm not a morning person. 40. What's something exciting happening in your life right now? Meaning, ask about something new or positive in their life. Example. What's something exciting happening in your life right now? I just started learning guitar. Well done. You've just learned 40 small talk starters that can help you sound natural and confident in English conversations. Remember, small talk doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a way to connect, be friendly, and start a nice chat. Try practicing a few of these every day, at work, in class, or even online. You'll soon notice your English conversation becoming smoother and more natural. Thanks for listening to English Conversation Practice Podcast. If you enjoyed today's episode, follow this podcast and share it with your friends who are learning English too. See you in the next episode, and until then, keep speaking English every day.